Each year, thousands of people are afflicted with a horrible deformity which makes them unable to use Apple AirPods. Due to this grotesque deformity, these poor people just can't use AirPods without them falling out of their disgustingly misshapen, not fit for Apple ears. Every day, they suffer ridicule, mockery, and are rejected from the elitist Apple f***boy community. With your help and a small donation of just $8,000, you can make a f***boy's dreams come true with a sorely needed corrective surgery. Please, give now and give a f***boy the chance to live in Tim Cook's world of tomorrow, today. Thank you.